of it is citric acid, so that's the white hard part, or acidic, whatever it is, and the other part's wet. So that's his wee. So he's a coastal carp that's native to this area. When they're about to shed, they usually hide because they go blind because the scale over their eyes goes opaque. And then, so they stay hidden until they're safe and feel safe. Pretty good. I'm glad he's shedding now. Can you see the difference on his head, the colouring?
Mm.
Right, would you
Meeting Snakey made TobyBear very curious. So when he got home, he used his research skills. He looked at Google and tried his best to find the answers to all of his questions. And he learned a lot about snakes and why they shed their skin.